Our clients are gonna love the range I got for the kitchen. They love to cook, so they really wanted a pro-style kitchen.
But they don't have natural gas. So did you get them one of those like angry electric coil looking like old school in my grandmother's house type ones?
No, Paul. I got them a commercial 6-burner propane range.
Does it matter? I mean, if they're a real chef, they should be able to cook on anything.
Well, no, professional chefs almost always prefer cooking on gas, and homeowners should be able to do that too.
What, do you have a professional chef just hanging around being like, oh, I love cooking on gas?
Actually, I do. Kim's here.
I enjoy cooking with propane because it delivers instant heat and has precise temperature control. That's why I use it in my kitchen.